back at the Cosmo. This is a studio. And the difference between this is showers. I think this is a jacuzzi tub. You see all the holes? That's cool. Pretty big shower. Double sinks. Drawers. You have your hand soap and lotion. Wow, this is a really big toilet too. Alright. So this is a little bit different from the suite that we got last time. This is called the Studio Suite. Check it out, you get this nice, comfortable couch. You know that girl from the last place. 2 huge tables, lots of lamps. Area for me to do some work. And then this is the absolute no-no. No, no, no. And don't buy anything in there. That's an absolute no-no. Unless you need to, right? And then on the end, you do have a full-size refrigerator.
Full-size.
Well, compared to Katrinka, right? And you have your iPad. Nice artwork. Ooh, they give us robes. Nice. And then you have your safe. You have your slippers. This is the TV for the room. Yeah, that's the iPad that you walk around with.
You got all your room controls. All on. Temperature.
That is way too hot. Absolutely. This is the room or the bed. The bed looks comfortable. Nicely decorated. They have a phone. That's weird. No, just kidding. This is kind of cute, right? And my favorite part, after you would open the door, I don't know how it opens. And then we do have a partial strip north here. Oh, and a swimming pool view. Actually, this is a really nice view, you guys. And that is a swimming pool for Chelsea Tower. I'll show you that. That was closed last time, but it's a bit hot out here because it's August, you guys. So there's a nightlight right on each side. Look at it. It's pretty cool.
And then we got a TV in the bedroom as well.
Yeah, it's a lot smaller than one in the living room, but let's see. Lots of art in here. I do like it. Ah, couch is comfortable. View is nice. Check out that huge TV. So this is a studio. And the difference between the studio and, what was the other room? Well, I'll tell you later on, but the same square footage, it's just a different layout. And this one has a jacuzzi tub, the other one has a deep Japanese tub. So that's the difference. Was the other one bigger? I don't know, I think it's, I'll tell you in the description below, but hey, we're back at the Cosmopolitan.
That green light right there isn't on. Hit the little blue button next to it.
And there you go. And hot tip of the day, bring your own seltzers or beer. It'll save you quite a bit of money.